Cover slide installation. Install the vertical slides. The clearances between the vertical slide and the vertical guide must be maintained as shown on the field assembly drawing. OTI provides an installation tool which must be used to set proper clearances between the slides and guides. Once properly located, tack weld the upper elbow of the slide to the upper slide base. Using the slide installation tool, position and tack weld the lower slide bracket to the bottom of the slide and to the bottom of the cover side skirt. Once all slides are installed and checked for proper clearances, finish the welds at both the top and bottom brackets. Ballast placement. Remove the 4-inch couplings plugs supplied in each of the Easy Up panels. Retain the plugs for later use. Install the thread protector provided into the coupling above where the first ballast member is to be installed. The protector helps prevent damage to the coupling threads during the ballast installation. Remove the end portions of the concrete ballast forming tube. Lower a lifting cable from a crane through the 4-inch coupling. Place a sling around the ballast and lift the ballast as shown on the field assembly drawing. Lift the ballast just high enough to be able to slip a ballast bracket onto each end of the ballast member. After the brackets are in place on the ballast, lower the ballast and brackets while pushing the sharply bent ends at the top and bottom of both brackets into the 4 support loops at the top and bottom of the side skirt. Ensure that the brackets are set with equal spacing from the ends of the ballast. Adjust if necessary. Secure the ballast to the brackets with the expansion anchors provided. Remove the coupling thread protector. Place the thread protector into the next coupling and repeat the ballast installation in the same manner, using the staggered and balanced sequence for ballast installation. After all of the ballast members are installed, remove and discard the thread protector and reinstall the 4-inch coupling pipe plugs. Use Teflon tape and pipe dope as required to ensure a gas-tight seal. Final tasks. Place a light layer of grease on both sides of the manhole cover gasket and place the gasket on top of the manhole barrel. Make sure to align the V-notch in the manhole cover with the V-notch on the manhole barrel flange. Install the manhole cover using the fasteners provided. In like manner, install the sample tubes and center ring gaskets and covers. Install the equipment nameplate. The nameplate is mounted using 2 of the center ring cover fasteners. It must be oriented facing the most likely point of cover access to the center ring location. Install any other loose items which may or may not be supplied by OTI, such as gas piping, pressure vacuum relief valves, etc. These photos show the cover, which was the subject of this video, loaded and ready for shipment to the job site. OTI not only takes great pride in the quality of its manufactured equipment, but also in the manner in which the product is delivered to the customer. OTI goes to great effort to ensure that equipment is placed and organized on the trailer in such a manner as to prevent shipping damage and to allow easy unloading. We trust this video has helped you with your plans for installing your OTI gas holder cover. If the steps in the IOM are followed, you should be able to save time and costs for the cover assembly and installation. We hope you will be able to make comments similar to: installation of the 100-foot diameter digester cover was the easiest to install of all the digester covers we've had so far installed. We are responsible for the installation of the lids and find both the floating and fixed cover to be of high quality workmanship with excellent installation instruction. The fit-up, welding, and installation of the digester covers fabricated by your company went together flawlessly. The overall process of erecting the digester cover went together much quicker than expected. This prefabrication saved us hundreds of man-hours by number 1, eliminating almost half of the field welding, of which most was overhead welding. Number 2, decreasing the total pieces to be picked and set from 170 pieces to only 90 pieces. And 3, ensuring that the pieces fit by pre-assembly in your yard. I'm pleased to report that the floating gas holder covers furnished by OTI have met and exceeded our project expectations. OTI's 4 60-foot diameter Model 60G gas holder covers were field assembled and installed without a hitch. I have been the construction supervisor on 5 digester projects that have used floating covers. OTI's design and fabrication on the digester cover did a great deal to help keep the construction project on schedule. The quality design and fabrication saved many hours during erection, including many hours of crane time. OTI was selected by the Indian Health Services to provide a fixed digester metal cover. The product was delivered ahead of schedule, was installed with the qualified guidance of OTI professionals, has operated flawlessly, and has been accompanied with outstanding OTI service. I would like to commend OTI on a well-executed project. We were the design engineers, which included one 45-foot diameter fixed cover and one 45-foot diameter gas holder cover. OTI was timely and helpful in providing both design and submittal information. Submittals were accurate and well detailed. Covers were delivered on schedule, and the quality of workmanship is excellent. Tyson Martin Productions, copyright 2007, all rights reserved.